How to measure land area in Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can measure land area in Google Maps. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to measure land area in Google Maps, well, first of all, does Google Maps even have the capability of doing this? Unfortunately, no, you can not only measure the distance within Google Maps, but not the land area. But to measure land area, we can download another application called Google Earth, so which is also a Google application itself. Just go ahead and then download Google Earth from your Play Store or your App Store. Now we'll simply launch Google Earth and we will create a new project, or you can choose one of your existing projects, which will give you this type of options right here. Now we're going to pin or navigate to the area of the land that we want to measure. So you can see this is the whole Earth in itself. You can just go around your country, just try to look for your country if it's available anywhere over here. So I'll just go ahead and then go as far as possible. Or you can use the search bar as well to locate a nearby area. Now what you want to do is, you want to long press on a starting point from where you want to measure your land. So I'll just long press like this, and you have dropped a pin, right? Now what we want to do is we want to tap on measure. Then we want to simply drag the other part. So we want to navigate. This will be the starting point, the other part to another place where we want to measure. When done that, tap on add point. When done on adding point, again you want to go ahead and then keep on adding this to another portion, then tap on add point, then keep rotating between the piece of land that you want to measure. So it doesn't have to be exact land. You can measure a house, you can measure an ocean or anything as such. And finally, just bring it back to the original place where you started your pin. So when you bring it to the original one, now you'll see the option called close shape. Tap on close shape. And when you do that, you can see the measure. We have the perimeter as well as the area over there. And we can choose them in multiple units as well. So this will be the measurement of this land that we have just highlighted in this case. And we can circle this anywhere that we might want to. So this is the way to measure a land area in Google Earth and not necessarily Google Maps. It's a fairly good application as well. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.